Hello, my name is Harold. This is TechonTech, and today I am going to show you how to delete your Instagram account on your PC. Alright, so the video I released before this, I showed you how to create an Instagram account. We have here a very generic Instagram account. I was absolutely amazed that I was able to do it because there was trouble creating this account. I was finally able to bypass that by using a phone number to create it. Otherwise, if I just use a basic email address, it tends to not like them and it flags it immediately and thought I was randomly creating email or randomly creating Instagram accounts, and I was. So anyhow, after I created the account, this being the point of it, we're going to go ahead and delete the account, and for that, we're going to go over here to the left, go ahead and left click on profile here. Once we've got, in fact, let me go back. All right, so here's home. We're going to go left click on profile here, bottom left-hand side. We're going to go to edit profile. We're going to go to account center. That's right here. Just kind of move my mouse around. There we go. All right, so we're going to left click anywhere in this box. Then we're going to go down here to personal details. And we're going to go here to account ownership and control. Here we have deactivation or deletion. Now, Meta, i.e. Instagram, makes an effort to really just want you to just temporarily deactivate your account. But we're going for the full deletion. So first we're going to do that. And then two, I have a couple of things I want to note about that. So I'm going to left click. We're going to select the Hearn Sterling account here. Now it's going to give me two options. It can deactivate the account or it can delete the account. I'm going to go ahead and delete the account in this case because if people wanted to deactivate it, they probably would just not use the account. So I assume if you're watching this, you want to delete it. So I'm going to left click on that. I'm going to click continue. It wants me to go ahead and enter in my password. So give me 10 seconds while I go get that. I should note that once I enter this in, it's approximately, it looks like there are two levels of maintaining information on this. One level is generally just maintaining the information. That disappears after 30 days. And apparently they've got a deep storage or a storage backup that say for 90 days. I assume this is for certain legal stuff, if like maybe somebody wants a subpoena or something like that. I assume past that, the information seems to just go into the ether. It does cost money to store information, so it makes sense that they wouldn't want to do that forever. Let's see, we're sorry to see you go. I'm doing it for another reason. I'm creating a YouTube video, so I'm going to go ahead and click continue here. Confirm account permanent deletion. Now, they really want you to just deactivate the account. So there is kind of a floating in the ether thing here. Hold on just a second. Interesting. Okay, this is in, let's see, that'd be April 3rd. So yes, that'd be 30 days. So that'd be the basic level account deletion. Then your ability to access that information is out in 30 days. And then 90 days is some other entities and stuff like that. So we are going to proceed. Delete the account. Give that just a second to perform. And that's it. That is the process of deleting your Instagram account. I will leave it there, short and sweet. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, leave them in the comment section below. Otherwise, we wish you have a great rest of your week.